What is forum posting? How to earn money with forum posting. Hello, and welcome to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, a series dedicated to exploring genuine and practical ways to earn income on the internet. Every episode introduces one online income method, explains how it works, shows you how to get started, and helps you avoid common mistakes. Today's topic is forum posting. If you've ever searched Google for a solution to a problem, chances are you've landed on a discussion forum. Maybe you wanted to fix a Windows error, learn Excel formulas, choose the best smartphone, or find advice about starting a business. In many cases, the answers came from ordinary people sharing their knowledge in online communities. Those communities are called forums. Forum posting simply means participating in these online discussions by asking questions, answering other people's questions, sharing your experience, and helping others solve problems. It sounds simple, but when done consistently and professionally, forum posting become a powerful way to build your reputation and create multiple income opportunities. So how does it actually make money? Let's find out. The first opportunity is freelancing. Many businesses need people to answer customer questions, manage online communities, and maintain an active presence in discussion forums. Instead of hiring full-time employees, they often hire freelancers. If you're good at writing clear, helpful responses, this can become a valuable service you offer. The second opportunity is affiliate marketing. Imagine someone asks for the best laptop for students. If you've personally used a model you genuinely recommend, you can explain why it's a good choice. On forums that allow it, you may include an affiliate link. If someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. The key is always to recommend products honestly and follow the forum's rules. The third opportunity is driving traffic to your own content. If you have a YouTube channel, blog, or website, don't just drop links everywhere. First, answer the question completely. Then, where appropriate, let readers know that you've created a more detailed guide or tutorial. Helpful answers build trust, and trusted recommendations attract visitors. The fourth opportunity is finding clients. Whether you're an Excel expert, graphic designer, web developer, video editor, SEO specialist, or programmer, every useful answer demonstrates your expertise. Over time, people may contact you directly for paid projects. Many successful freelancers have built their businesses simply by helping people in online communities. The fifth opportunity is building your personal brand. Every helpful post becomes part of your online reputation. As people begin to recognize your name and appreciate your knowledge, new opportunities naturally appear: consulting, partnerships, collaborations, speaking opportunities, and business growth. Now, let's talk about getting started. The first step is choosing a niche. Focus on one subject you know well or genuinely enjoy learning about. It could be technology, cooking, health, personal finance, photography, travel, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, or any other area where you can provide useful information. The second step is joining a few quality communities. Complete your profile professionally and take time to understand each community's rules before posting. The third step is consistency. Set a simple goal, such as answering 5 questions every day. Write original, detailed answers based on your knowledge and experience. The more value you provide, the more people will trust your advice. Let's also discuss a few mistakes you should avoid. Never copy content from other websites. Don't spam forums with promotional links. Don't recommend products you haven't used or don't understand. Always respect the rules of each community. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Building a strong reputation takes time, but the long-term rewards can be significant. So, how much can you earn? Some people use forum posting to earn extra pocket money through freelance work or affiliate commissions. Others use it to grow their websites, YouTube channels, consulting businesses, or digital agencies. Your income depends on your knowledge, consistency, and the value you provide, not simply on the number of posts you make. Now, if you're wondering where to begin, here are some excellent communities you can explore. Reddit is one of the world's largest discussion platforms, covering almost every topic imaginable. Quora allows you to answer questions and build your authority in your chosen field. If you're a programmer or software developer, Stack Overflow is one of the best places to share technical knowledge. For digital marketing, SEO, affiliate marketing, and online business discussions, explore Warrior Forum and Digital Point forums. If you're interested in Microsoft technologies, Windows, Excel, or Azure, the Microsoft Learn community offers excellent discussions and learning resources. And if you want to find a forum for your specific interest, simply search Google for phrases like photography forum, fitness forum, gardening forum, or real estate forum. You'll discover active communities dedicated to almost every subject. You'll find links to all of these websites in the description or companion resources for this episode, making it easy to explore them after you've finished listening. Before we finish, remember this one important idea. The internet doesn't reward the loudest voice, it rewards the most helpful one. Every useful answer you write builds trust. Every person you help expands your reputation. And every strong reputation creates new opportunities to earn money online. So start today. Choose one niche, join 2 or 3 quality forums, and make it your goal to genuinely help people every single day. Small, consistent actions can create remarkable long-term results. Thank you for listening to episode 1 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online.